Are you looking for this? While there are still places to find relatively safer options for steeper riding, there are also places where it's become more dangerous. A snapshot of the past couple weeks help us paint a picture of what is happening today. On December 26, we received a rain event that stretched high into our upper elevations. On December 28th, the temperatures dropped and anywhere from 4 to 20 inches of snow fell on a wet surface. During this time, strong temperature gradients promoted faceting just above this wet surface, known as melt layer recrystallization. For 11 days, we were under high pressure with nearly no new snow. The wet surface below froze into a hard, supportable crust, and cold, clear skies promoted faceting on the snow surface, and a layer of surface hoar snuck in. The recipe for surface hoar to form is a cold, clear sky, a high relative humidity, and relatively calm winds. Surface hoar can form quickly and be destroyed just as quickly while it remains on the surface. Prior to snowfall that occurred on January 9th, winds raked the surface and the warm sun beat down. This melted and blew around surface hoar on many south and west aspects, while leaving it untouched on aspects sheltered from the wind and shaded from the sun. The Swan Range is a primary concern for persistent slabs since 4.5 inches of snow water equivalent fell there. This is leaving us a 2 to 3 foot slab above this pesky weak layer. The Flathead and Whitefish Range fall shy of 2 inches of snow water equivalent in that same time period. Reported avalanches have occurred at middle and upper elevations in the Swan Range and at upper elevations in the northern Whitefish Range. We observed a crown in the Flathead Range that appeared to have failed on the Christmas crust. So far, we've noticed this surface hoar and near surface facets to be weaker at upper elevations. A common saying is persistent weak layers are guilty until proven innocent. There's a level of uncertainty as snow slowly piles up above these weak layers. Saturday night and into Sunday, a shot of snow and howling winds out of the southwest are forecasted. We will see wind slabs as our newest problem and still be considering persistent weak layers lurking below these freshly formed drifts. Dribs and drabs of snow keep creeping up on us, making us a little more uncertain of if and when a tipping point may happen on these buried weak layers.